Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Pesto Rosso pasta. Start by gathering sun-dried tomatoes, fresh basil, garlic, Parmesan, good olive oil, and your pasta. Begin by rehydrating tomatoes if needed and toasting pine nuts or almonds until fragrant. Blend tomatoes with garlic, basil, cheese, and oil to a slightly coarse texture so the sauce clings to pasta. Toss pasta with sauce and finish with a squeeze of lemon and pepper. Start the sauce by roughly chopping sun-dried tomatoes, then pulsing them with garlic and basil in a food processor. Add grated Parmesan and stream in olive oil while pulsing to create a textured but cohesive sauce that clings to pasta. Taste and season with salt, black pepper, and a bright squeeze of lemon to lift the flavors. If sauce feels thick, thin with a tablespoon or two of reserved pasta water. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and hit like so you don't miss future recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: treat yourself to The Simple Path to Wealth, a book that can truly change how you think about money, and it pairs well with learning to cook thoughtfully. I find it oddly motivating while prepping meals. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Bring a large pot of well-salted water to a rolling boil and cook pasta until slightly under al dente, so it finishes cooking in the sauce. Reserve about 1 cup of starchy pasta water before draining. That water is your secret for silky consistency. Return pasta to the pan, add the pesto rosso, and toss gently over low heat while adding small amounts of reserved water until the sauce clings beautifully to each piece.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.